Here's how to fix Windows notification issues quickly. Step 1. Check for Windows updates. Press Windows plus I, then go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Windows will search for pending updates and download them automatically. Restart your PC if prompted to apply updates fully. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs affecting notifications. Step 2. Run System File Scanner. Press Windows plus S, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Windows will scan for corrupted or missing system files and repair them automatically. Wait for the scan to complete. It may take a few minutes. Once finished, a summary of repairs will be displayed. After completing these steps, your Windows notifications should work properly. Subscribe for more professional Windows fixes.